Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to restart the start menu in Windows 10. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to begin by right-clicking on our taskbar, and then select Task Manager. Scroll down underneath Background Processes until you find Start. Right-click on it, select End Task. And it should automatically recreate the task again, and you can see the start menu should be able to reopen at this point. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.